Got a minute? Let's talk about your favorite thing. Attention. It's all you need. See? It's all you need. So this is more than just next token prediction. So the inputs to a large language model are known as their embeddings. Embeddings help us distinguish between two words that are spelled the same. For example, the word can. Can indicate a physical can of like a drink or something, but the word can also indicate a positive probability as a concept. So to distinguish between these two words, we need to know their embeddings and not just their vectors. Or instead of just an ID that represents the word, we're kind of distinguishing whether or not we're talking about a can that you hold or the word can, like you can do that. Those are embeddings, right? In a multi-layer transformer-based network, a feed-forward layer is basically where we're doing the prediction of the next tokens, right? Without attention, we're just predicting the next word. At the end, we put things through this thing called the softmax function, which basically makes it so that we have a bunch of words to pick from, and we have a percentage of their probability so that everything adds up to 100%, right? Okay, now let's talk about what attention does. Attention adds the ability for context across the entire input to influence the output. So rather than just looking at the previous word, what we do is we look at all the words and their relationships to each other. So in this visualizes the attention. The AI is able to see that the word making relates to the fact that the process is now more difficult. We have made something more difficult. It's able to understand that even though the words the registration or voting process are in the middle and relate to the word making, but not as much as what we have done, which has made it more difficult. In this example, we see that the AI understands the word law is related to its application. Here you can see that it understands that the word the refers to the word law. These relationships are established in a mechanism called attention or multi-head attention. This is a visualization of single-head attention. Above is multi-head attention. You can see that the AI here sees the word missing and understands that we are missing. There's been a lot of development on this since it came out. For example, we've got people now adding attention to the output as well, so that the language model can actually pay attention to what it is writing. All of this stuff has to be built in to the layer of the model that actually runs the model itself. We can use models that were trained differently with new features and functionalities. This video has really great visualizations. Take a look if you want a deeper dive.